Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Chromebook via Bluetooth. So the first thing we should do is put these earbuds into pairing mode. So we'll know that these are in pairing mode when the light here is blinking three colors: blue, red, green, blue, red, green. Okay, so both the buds are in the case. Let's open up this lid and let's see what colors I get here. I get a solid green light here. And then it just goes off. I didn't get the three colors. Okay, so mine is not in pairing mode, so let me manually put this in pairing mode. If I look on the back here, you got that little button there. I'm going to press and hold that button for about 5 seconds or so until it starts blinking those three colors: blue, red, green, blue, red, green. Okay, so button here, press and hold, ready, go. Keep holding for about 5 seconds or so. Still holding, just wait. Still holding. Okay, there we go. Blue, red, green, blue, red, green. Now go ahead and let go of that button. Leave it just like this and then shoot over to your Chromebook. You want to go directly to your settings. You can go in the left-hand corner down there, click on that, and then go to settings. Mine's right here. And then from settings, we're going to go ahead and select on Bluetooth. And then we're going to make sure Bluetooth is toggled on over here. And then we're going to select pair new device. So let's select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking those three colors. And it's about 30 feet Bluetooth range. Okay, so everything should pop up here that's in pairing mode. It didn't show up yet. Oh, there it is. I had to scroll down. But Galaxy Buds 4, it found it right there. Just go ahead and, select it. It says pairing now. And it just connected with those flashing blue lights. And you can see we're connected on there as well. Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues connecting these, you can always comment below. All right? Good luck, guys.